roundabout and we're going to take the third exit right. When you come off on the roundabout, come off to the left, keep in the left lane. So where would you start your routine from?
A bit further.
Okay, around here?
Yeah.
What routine would you use to exit?
Centre mirror.
Mm-hmm. At the traffic lights, turn left.
I didn't expect him to change that quick.
Okay, so what was the problem with me and you braking? Should you have stopped?
Yeah.
Why?
Should have slowed down earlier.
Why? Why should you have
Because they
stopped?
were green for a long time.
Okay. So do you know if I say to you,
I thought of it and I didn't go with my thinking.
no, if I say in hindsight, if you were going faster when you exit the roundabout and carried on picking up a bit more speed,
Yeah.
you'd have clearly gone through a green light.
Yeah.
Because we were stuck in gear 2 and the speed limit 30,
Yeah.
you kind of caused your own problem
Okay.
there. Okay?
But can you do that roundabout on gear 3?
No, when you come off the roundabout,
Oh.
you could have just gently increased your speed,
Yeah.
drove normally.
I did it slowly already.
Yeah, you were going slow and then eventually the lights were going to change.